Hello, Reeses and Kit Kats. Okay, so starting this week, we are going to be doing a review for the benchmark. So the questions that we're doing on this video will be very, very similar to the questions that you'll see on your benchmark. And Ms. Perez and I have gone through the whole benchmark and decided the most important topics that you guys will need to be successful. So today, we're going to start off with a review of combining like terms. All right, so problem number 1 is on the board right here. 8x plus 4y minus 6x plus 2y. Now, as Ms. Perez told you in class the other day, that when you're combining terms, you need to make sure that it has the exact same variable or both of them are constants. Remember, a constant is just a number with a variable. So I can't combine 8x and 4y. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to put a box around the terms that have an x and a circle around the terms that have a y, because those are the only two variables I see in this problem. And I don't see any numbers without variables. All right, so I have 8x here. I'm gonna put a box around that. I see x in one more place, 6x. But because, remembering what Ms. Perez told me, the sign is important as well, so I'm gonna put a box around minus 6x. Now I also have two y's. I have 4y and 2y. So I'm going to put a circle around the whole thing, plus 4y and plus 2y. All right, now what I'm going to do is take what I have in my rectangles or my squares and combine those first. So first I have 8x and minus 6x. So I have 8x and then I'm taking away 6 of those x's. So this would be, I'm going to rewrite it now, reordering all the terms so that we can try it again. So it would be 8x. I have my other box, minus 6x. In this circle right here, I have plus 4y. And then I'm going to make sure that one's next to my other term, plus 2y. And now I'm just going to combine the terms that are next to each other that have the same variable. So 8x minus 6x is 2x plus 4y plus 2y, which is 6y. So when we combine like terms, we'll get 2x plus 6y. I'm going to try one more with you guys, and then I want you to do the rest of the worksheet on your own. So the next problem is 6p plus 2 plus 3 minus 4p. Okay, so I remember from what I just said as well as from what Ms. Perez told me that I can only combine terms that have the same variable or, in this case, if they don't have a variable at all. So I'm going to go through again, put a square around the terms that have the variable p and put a circle around the terms that don't have any variable at all. So I see 6p and then all the way down here I see minus 4p, but again, I'm going to put a box around the whole thing, including the minus sign. And then I have two numbers without variables that I'm going to circle. Again, including the sign. So I have plus 2 here and plus 3 right here. Now I'm going to combine the squares, rewrite the whole thing so that the squares are next to each other and so that the circles are next to each other. So I'll have 6p minus 4p, because those are my two squares, plus 2 plus 3. And then last step is just combine the terms that are the same. So 6p minus 4p, you have 6 p's, you take away 4 of them, I'm going to be left with 2. And then 2 plus 3 is 5. So my final answer will be 2p plus 5. All right, I want you to continue with the rest of the worksheet on your own. I have posted the answers for 3 more problems. And then additionally, on the back, we're going to be doing a review of plotting coordinates because this is going to be on your benchmark as well. And I want to see where everybody is so that I can help the people who have forgotten how to do it. I know it's been a while. Okay, good luck.